So what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 and today's video is on WhatsApp new feature for both devices, iOS and Android. As you guys have heard that WhatsApp is recently testing a lot of new features. So now WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature that will extend chat support to user within the app. This feature was there in WhatsApp beta version in past, but they have removed it without any reason. But now it's making a comeback. So before I talk more about it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. As per report, WhatsApp is testing in-app support for both Android version 2.22.3.5 and iOS version 22.2.72, and that too for betas only. This feature will provide users and help they need from the Meta-owned messaging platform right from a WhatsApp chat. As I've said, it's rolling out for beta users, but it has also started reaching out for WhatsApp stable version. As I have access for this in-app chat support on the stable version on my iPhone, it means in-app chat support is soon to reach all WhatsApp users. Before I tell you how to access it, go to the App Store in your iPhone and check for WhatsApp updates in your updates section. And if you don't find it here, just search WhatsApp and then you may find update over here. Sometimes it doesn't show here on update recently section. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp, then open it. Now go to the settings. Here tap on help. Now here tap on contact us. So here it is, in-app WhatsApp chat support. Here you have to type the issue you are facing and then WhatsApp will get in touch with you via a chat to help you resolve the matter. This feature also has an option for you to share your device information like model, settings, network, etc. with WhatsApp, and an option to send the details via email. It will also ask you for information such as phone numbers, network details to figure out the problem, and they will provide a solution. And you should always remember this, official WhatsApp account will always have a green verified checkmark. So don't fall for people disguising themselves as WhatsApp representatives trying to scam you. Also, there are many more features that are being tested like redesigned contact info page, the introduction of a community section, new drawing tools and chat bubble colors, message reaction and much more. So let me know if you guys are seeing the new in-app chat support option on WhatsApp or not. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.